Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Beauty on its own. It's been a long time. I hope you guys are doing well. I trust you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a basic, afro. 2 steps in which I achieve my afro. Trust me, it's not difficult at all. If you want to know how, follow me in this video. So yeah, the first thing I do is to have a comb, obviously. And then I have a spray bottle where I have water and oil in the bottle. I like to spray to my hair because I like to have my hair a little bit moisturized so that it retains moisture, so my hair will be soft and all that. So what I'm going to do now is, whenever I want to rock my afro, whenever I know I want to rock my afro, the night before I weave my hair. This is something I do because it stretches my hair and it makes my hair, it retains moisture in the air. And actually, I advise that you always weave your hair because this promises to retain moisture in your hair. And we know that we natural people, we know what moisture does to the hair. We need it. So yeah, basically, when I know I want to rock my afro hair, especially, I weave my hair in the night. I weave my hair every night, but like especially for my afro because it stretches it out. I love that full afro. So here what I'm doing is parting it. Yep, as you can see, I'm parting it, combing it, got to comb it. So now that we've parted our hair, now that I parted my hair, I'm going to, weave it into a section. Yeah, I'm a lazy girl, guys. I could have done this into 2 sections. You can do this into 2, 3, 4, no matter whatever you want to do. Just have fun with it. But yeah, I like to do this into something that is easy because I like to do it every night, so I don't do too much. So yeah, this is one section of my hair. Okay, so we're going to do the front like that, just like the back, splitting it into different sections. Yeah. So guys, let me just tell you, I love my hair. I'm loving it. If you remember, the last time I posted, not the last time, in the last set of videos I posted, I came back with a story of how I cut my hair and how my hair was giving me issues, and then I thought to cut my hair. In fact, honestly, when I wanted to cut my hair, I wasn't sure that was the best option for me. I wasn't sure anything, change is very scary actually. But ever since I cut my hair has been obeying me. Do you understand? My hair knows now that I can't try nonsense with me. I haven't been doing much, surprisingly, to my hair. I just do the basic things, stretch it out like this every night, apply water, apply leave-in conditioner, apply there's this product I use, anti-Jackie's coil enhancer. I apply that on my hair sometimes if I want the curls to come out so much. It's just that it doesn't pop out as much. Maybe I've not learned how to bring it out as much, but my major go-to hairstyle is my afro. I love it. It gives me this 90 girls look. It gives me, I'm such a lover of vintage. If you know me, I love old school things, so I really love the afro. I really enjoy it, and my hair is just it's just easy. It's just really nice. Although yeah, you can see me struggling to comb it here because my hands were already tired. See my face. Later I'll say I'm a natural girl. Oh my god, there's an adage in my language that says Eni to ba fe shoge aroju. Abi, how does that go? Eni to ba fe shoge aroju. Meaning, if you want to do fashion, you have to face the stress. See the stress now. My heart was paining me because it's getting full and full. It's getting fuller by the day, and I'm loving it. It's just like it comes with stress, like combing the hair. All right. All right, all right, all right, all right. You see me, you see me, you see me, you see me, you see me weaving it, you see me weaving it. So yeah, I weave it every night, and you should too. So there we have it, guys. I just parted my hair into 5 different sections. This will do for the night. Yep. And at this point, I'm just tying my hair into a silk scarf because we want to protect our hair. Protect your hair, guys. Protect your hair. It is important. May they know like sorry, my pigeon side wanted to come out. It happens when I'm saying something so serious and I feel it so passionately. So I'm so passionate and I want you not to damage your hair. So please, I'll ask you guys, protect your hair in a silk scarf or silk bonnet, silk or satin scarf or bonnet. Okay, thank you very much. May they no lie you. Okay, may they no lie say your hair no go spoil. Your hair go spoil if you no put on for anything. Okay, all right, thank you guys. Okay, so guys, this is the next day and I was preparing to go out and it was time to wear my hair like I wanted to. We know how, the Afro way. Shout out. So obviously we can see how I'm loosening my hair. I'm just going to loosen the whole section, the whole parted sections. Funny thing is I actually start with the back, but maybe I was so carried away with this video that I started loosening from the front. I start with the back, then comb the back, and then comb the front. I like losing the hair. But forgive me for being carried away with this video. It's just for you guys. At this point, I'm beginning to comb the hair together. Beginning to comb it, comb it, comb it. You can also use a picking comb. Depends on the look you want to go for. So I want the whole fluffy, all together Afro look. Sometimes I don't even comb my hair. I separate the weaving and just separate it, and it gives me a different look. I can style it a different way, but because I wanted to go for the puffy Afro, that's why I'm combing the hair. Okay guys, so at this point I'm just picking the sides because I want it to cover my ears. I mean, it won't be looking so full if I don't make them I said them my hair cover my ears. It has to, you know, the beauty of Afro is it going round your head, you understand? So that's why I pick out the edges. If you follow through, you see I pick out the front also. I pick out the back. I pick out the sides because I want it to look well rounded. Now I just puff it in a little, you know. I'm still picking out the sides. Sorry guys. I'm way ahead of you guys. So yeah, picking out everywhere I need to pick out. Yep. Then I puff it, tucking a little, pick out till I'm okay, till I'm liking the look, till I'm liking where I'm at. Oof, look at the goodness in front. Oh my days, come on, come on. So yeah, I pick, tuck according to, you know, how I look. My mirror tells me what to do. I don't tell myself what to do. My mirror tells me how to go out of the house. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what is on my face, that's me doing my makeup when I'm about to go out. So I like to do my hair when I set my face, so that the powder, I like to set my face with setting powder. So I make sure I make my hair when I set my face, so that buys me time for the setting powder to soak up all the oil. Now look at that goodness. Come on, look at the back, my dear people. Come on, come on. Like I said, I like to adjust. You don't necessarily have to pick this side with your comb. You can use your hand. So yeah, I'll just do this and go on and finish up my makeup. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned one or two and you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends, and don't forget to comment your thoughts, and definitely please try this style out. Bye guys, see ya.